chewing the scenery. Hey.
Hey. Leave it. I don't want that to break her teeth.
No, I don't either.
Where's your toy? Go get your toy. Where's your...
Pepper! Pepper! Pepper, what is it? What are you doing? Good girl. Her purdy. I'm taking a film of her. Mommy.
Should have been her earlier when she was doing the dripping thing. Oh my God, that was hilarious, David. That would have been the best film. She just pops on down.
Pepper. Pepper.